Got a favorite photo of your furry friend? Let's turn it into a work of art. In the graphic designer, click the Open button and then Image to upload your photo to the canvas. Next, we'll remove the background. Click on your photo to show the Image Properties menu and choose Cutout Remove Background. Then click Remove Background to isolate your pet. Click Apply, and you can now change your background to anything you'd like. For our pet portrait, we'll use a solid color as a background. Head to the Customize tab and choose a background color from the available palette, or click the first swatch to select any color you want. And now, let's turn our portrait into something unique. Click the image again, then select Edit Image to add an effect. From the options on the left, click Artsy and choose the GFX series. There are plenty of effects to choose from. For this project, we'll use Vector Painting GFX. Use the slider to adjust the strength of the effect, or click the settings icon to customize it further. Then, use the check mark to apply. Now let's go back to the graphic designer to add some text. From the options on the left, click Text. Use Add Text to type your pet's name using any font, size, and style that suits your taste. Make sure that the text is big enough to be clearly visible. When you're done, click Save. From here, you can save your portrait to your computer to print at home, or select Print Products to have the portrait printed and delivered directly to your door.